Hello, Namaste, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. You are watching your YouTube channel Spark Motivation. So let's start today's topic without losing time because time is priceless. So let's start today's topic. Today's topic about the sign of protein deficiency. Include chronic tiredness, thinning hair, and other symptom to watch out for. The sign of protein deficiency. Protein is a complex macronutrient that constitutes the building block for the physical part of our body. Include muscles, bones, skin, hair, nail and other organ. The key highlight of this video is we often tend to overlook message that our body is trying to send us through symptoms. The second key highlight is if you feel fatigue all the while, suffer from weakness, have thinning hair, brittle nail and dry skin, ask your doctor if you are protein deficient. And third one, through most protein deficiencies are treatable by increasing the intake of high protein food like egg, salmon, lentils. They are underlying condition that only the doctor can diagnose. As children, we often saw our elder feasting boxes of protein or protein-rich biscuits, etc. To add the milk we drank, almost all energy powders that were spooned into the milk we drank touched the addition of protein to our diets. Now as grow up we see serious bodybuilder and sports person, fitness and marathoner all taking about the protein supplement that they take. What are proteins? Proteins, the building block of almost everything in our body, are actually a high complex nutritional substance that is present in all living organisms. Protein are directly involved in the chemical process essential for life. In fact, they are so essential that when they were first recognized by chemists in the early 19th century, a Swedish chemist John Jacob Berzelius in 1838 coined the term protein, a word derived from the Greek proteos meaning holding first place. This is truly a primary building block of energy and structure in our body. A study published in 2015 in the Journal of Nutrition found that teenagers who consume high protein afternoon snacks saw improved appetite and diet quality, better mood and better cognition. That means they did not start eat or bring to the limit of developing an eating disorder that affect weight. So taking adequate protein in food aids weight loss, helps excess weight gain. So how much protein we take? 10 to 35% of daily calories must come from protein, depend upon the total calorie needed or consumed by the individual. Most people need 20 to 30 gram of protein per meal. Non-athletes need regularly 0.8 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. An athlete may need more protein. Your doctor is the best person to advise you on what is the best intake for you. What happens if we have protein deficiency? Protein deficiency, also called hypoproteinemia, is usually tied to overall low protein intake. A range of symptoms appear on our body which can vary based on the severity of the deficiency. Say expert. Symptoms for mild to moderate to severe deficiency of protein: constant weakness, constant fatigue, low immunity, constant hunger, thinning hair, brittle nail, dry skin, stomach bloating, liver failure, rupture in skin, snurred growth. One of the most common signs that you are not getting enough protein is swelling, also called edema, especially in your abdomen, leg, feet, around your eyes and on your hand. The proteins that circulate in our blood, albumin in particular, help keep fluid from building up in your tissue. Your doctor can diagnose if it is a protein deficiency or something else that is causing edema, so consult the expert. If you are low on protein, your doctor might recommend a protein supplement in addition to your food intake. However, we suggest that you do not take the salesman's advice, but that of you doctor when you decide to protein supplement. Apart from supplements, just upping your intake of protein rich food will make the task easier. What are the food sources of protein? Is sprouted moong, all type of pulses, urad, chana, masoor, moong, tor, oats, whole grain, dalia, dry fruits, nuts, seeds, almond, flax seeds, legumes, beans, eggs, peanut butter, ground nuts, seafood, fish, dairy products, dahi, paneer, yogurt, cheese are the some example of protein rich food. Thank you. These tips and suggestions mentioned for journal information purpose only and should not be used as professional medical advices. Always consult your doctor or a dietitian before starting any fitness program or making any change to your diet. Thank you. Thank you for watching your YouTube channel Spark Motivation. Please like, share and subscribe.